Fine, this is problem number 32. Right, what will be the depth of a cubical pond whose volume is 729 meter cube? So this is, they have given cubical pond. We are supposed to find the depth, right, and as well as they have given volume. You know, volume of a cube. Volume of a cube is equal to what? That is nothing but L cube, right, or A cube. A cube. Now what we need to do, find? A we need to find, depth we need to find. That is, it's nothing but, because all sides are equal in a cube, right? So we need to find the cube root of this. You are going to get the answer. Volume they have given. Volume is how much? That is 729 is equal to A cube. So therefore A is equal to cube root of 729. So you know that is 1 cube is how much? 1, 2 cube. Cube means, you know, that is when the number is multiplied 3 times, that is 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1, which is nothing but 1 cube, 1. So similarly 2 into 2 into 2 is going to be 2 cube, which is going to be 8. Similarly, if you find that is 9 cube, which is nothing but 9 into 9 into 9, 9 nines are 27, 27 into 9, 9 sevens are 9 nines are, see, 81, I'm sorry, 9 nines are 81, that into 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. So that's what the answer here is. A is equal to cube root of 9 into 9, which is nothing but A is equal to 9. The answer is 9 meter.